Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about favorite lists. A favorite list is similar to a bookmark and it allows you to quickly access important records, lists, groups, and other frequently used pages in Salesforce by making them a favorite. So let's get started how we can add our records and lists groups in the favorite list. I will go to my app launcher. From my app launcher, I'll go to Sales app. Okay, so now I am on home page of my Sales app. I'll go to any object and this time I'm going to opportunities. I'll go to all opportunity and suppose I have selected Edge SLA and I want to make this opportunity as favorite so that I can visit this page frequently just by going to my favorite list and not by going to the object and searching for the record. What I can do is I can go here. This is known as a favorite list and from here we can add the favorite. So no favorites yet. So far we don't have any favorite. And if we want to add any page to the favorite, then we have to just visit the record page and click on this add favorite, and this record has been saved as favorite. So you can see this record has been saved as favorite. Now if I'll go on home screen and I want to visit the same record, I can just directly go to my favorite list and click on it. I will be able to land on my favorite record. So similarly, suppose we have to check for the report. If I'll open this report and I can just add this report to favorite and it will be included in the favorite list. Similarly, you can do this for accounts also. You can go to all accounts and suppose you select this account, add it to favorite, and this is your favorite list. And from here you can edit your favorites also. Click on edit favorite and you can remove your favorite or just edit the name. I think you can edit the name of the favorite. Let's just edit it to RRR. You click on done. If we'll visit RRR opportunity, then we will be able to land on HSLA. Okay, and if you want to remove the record from favorite, then you can click on this button. You can click on this button and it will be removed from your favorite list. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.